Yo, say less. So I decided to like test my coding knowledge and put it to the test. So right here, I made like a job application like format type thing. I'm gonna like break it down in a second, but I've read like these same basic books like two times each just to make sure I really know the basics. So I was like, let me just like knowing is one thing, but I was like, let me just see if I can like piece some stuff together to actually make something. And this is like all myself, no looking at the book for like help anymore. So I made a class, and something was like, wait a minute, what's the difference between a class and a structure? I was like, pretty much similar things, kind of. I wonder if I can put the structure within the class. So private class, right here, you can't access this. Then you go down here to access. But I'm just gonna like show all this stuff quick. So I was using clearly strings, class structures, um, what's it called, if and else statements, switch statements, and all the other blah 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 blahs. So right here, you just run it right here, right? It says, yo, Wes, activate one time for the boys. Like, what's your name? So I'll put in my name. Boom. It says blah blah blah. What position are you applying for? Let's just say coder, or you can say whatever you want to say. It says how old are you? So right here, boom. How many years experience? So like, there's multiple things that you can do this one. So I did something that says like, if you have more than 10 years experience, you're eligible for a promotion. Let's just say 10. So you are eligible for a promotion. Do you want to apply? So you like click yes or yes or like, but you get two options. So let's just say yes. It says boom, good. Sounds good. Let's continue then. Here's your base salary. And the base salary, when I'll go back, that was like the thing that was private. And but overall, it says boom, 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 boom. Add two references. But like before I go to the two references part, let me just run that again and put less than 10 years experience. Okay, here you go. Boom. Position you're applying for programmer. How old are you? Let's just say something else. 40. How many years experience do you have with the job? Let's just say one. Boom. Says sorry, not enough experience for promotion. We will continue with the regular job application. Here's your base salary, blah blah blah. Then it says add two references. Let's just say Joshy. Then I just say Monty. It says you added Joshy and Monty. If this is accurate, if accurate, go to the next step. After this step, there's no going back. Is information correct? But then you just like keep on going on, right? So I'm gonna stop doing this. I just bought a new book with like advanced things in C++. So I'm gonna read that and just leave this alone because I already got the motivation I need now. So with this being said, it's like if I can do this, I can pretty much make an application. I can make like a little gaming thing that says choose your character, choose your name, choose that, blah blah blah. Okay, your character strength, character speed, and all that good stuff. But it's just a step. But overall, so I did a class and a structure, then just the names of the functions and all that good stuff. Then if and else statement. So here's the if and else is like what's it called? The variable name is experience. So right here, boom, 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 boom. Then you, if answer is like what's called more greater than or equal to 10 years, you're eligible for promotion. You want to continue? Yes, no. Else, boom, 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 boom. Then switch answer right here, right? Let's continue then. Boom, 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 boom. Then break statements to break it up a little bit. Then two references right here, strings, this, that, and that's pretty much it. Yo, I'm blessed. Say less. Yo, like, share, subscribe. I'm gonna start to activate one time for the boys. I'm gonna like read this book like in like 5 minutes. Wish me luck.